The second floor of the home is very functional in that it includes 4 bedrooms, each with their own bathroom and walk-in closet. So there's no wasted space on the second floor at all. There's some grand details though. You have sort of a step up into the master ensuite, so it does lend sort of an air of grandeur compared to the other bedrooms. And if you'll notice, we have a walk-around feature with the walk-in closet so that you can access it on both sides, and it makes it very functional, lets all the light flow into all the spaces. So the master bath, I hope you all love it because I love it. It's exceptional in that we use porcelain wall tiles that look like marble all throughout the entire bathroom space. When you enter the second floor hallway, there's a little bit of space that could be utilized. It's not really a room unto its own, but what I placed there was a little sort of desk zone, so if the kids wanted to do some homework, there's a little sort of console desk zone. So we also have a laundry room on the second floor. It's a spectacular laundry room. It's very large. It's got a beautiful color palette, and it pairs beautifully with the cool toned wall color.